Yagoy. Welcome to the chat. There's a lot. Man, I don't know. Every time I around you, around the community, within yourself, within your household, your families. Everybody's on fire. Girl, I mean not girl, but girl, we have to before I came on live, I went to my altar where I have my ancestors, my late grandparents, and I made sure to go calm down first before I get on here, because there's no reason for me to cause panic. Something on your mind? Yes. On a million minds there's a million things on a million minds. Don't say that. Don't say let it out. Look, I ain't here to be all sad and I don't need no sympathy. All right, I'm just here to share. I ain't fucked up about nothing. I'm just, well, no. Yeah, y'all got me fucked up, but always got me fucked up. See, look. Let me just breathe before I go off again, because I don't want to go off. I try to be calm. So, as you know, I had said that I was off the politics, but I don't think anybody really understands how like no offense, but in the community, within the community, also within yourself. If you are feeling a little effed up somewhere, you feel like something's off. Your everyday, day-to-day life. Then you look around you, everybody's fighting, everybody's breaking up. All these, like I said, all these people in high positions are getting exposed. Okay? What else? Like, whew. Do y'all feel that? There's a shift going on. Y'all can't keep this old way of thinking, old way of living. Okay, everybody's still arguing about these politics, these titles. My gosh, it's deeper than that. And then when y'all keep your focus on that, you're not seeing the bigger picture here. Because it's bigger than that. There's a reason why I came off the politics, bro. That's y'all not understanding here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. How should we explain? The politicians, this country. And when I say this country, as in literally the country we're living in. The country, come on, Romajo. Pull your head out of white Jesus' ass for a second. Pull your head out of religion for a second. Pull your head out of politics, the titles, just pull your head out of that real quick. Just real quick. Then let me FILEZ, okay? And wait. Gosh, there's no Marshallese freaking vocabulary for this. I feel like I need to write this down because I don't want to get flagged. And I gotta... My gosh, I gotta write it backwards because of this stupid camera. Hold up. Right? But worldwide. Okay? Manleme EPST3IN files. Worldwide. Right? So how does Majo tie in with that shit? So when I say worldwide, like all have been politicians, bro. All have been politicians, lo America. That's what's going on in this country, right? But here we are focused on the small things, y'all. Y'all gotta step back. Y'all gotta step back and look at the bigger picture right now. Because it's going to start messing with your day-to-day life, right? Because the fact that this is worldwide, right? The other countries don't want to be associated with a Congress that does this shit. Because there's proof that came out. Proof, pictures, documents. Right? That's what's going on in the United States right now. You guys don't know this shit. That's my point. How is that going to start with our day-to-day life? Gonna get a lot of ram, okay? So, and plus I have another bone to pick with you Trump bitches, okay? There's proof that has been, revealed. There's proof in papers. What's going on with the Nidijala in America? Bill Clinton and Hillary Clinton. They're on trial right now for the pedophilia shit. Excuse my language. So how does Majo tie into this? The registrations and stuff? Yeah.
Can she pick her own sauce?
No. So what is our Nidijala really doing? The thing is here, I don't even know if they know what the fuck is going on. It's like, damn, I don't know how deep it goes. I got register the yachts, the big fat yachts with the Marshallese flags, that the rich yachts that you guys see on the internet, right? And it has the Marshallese flag on it. The registration on the water, on the ocean, to transport ajri and punin ajri, and I'm so motherfucking serious. Proof ajri get tain pedophilia me kokanan perpenajri mangai ajri, they eat ajri inam lukun mujiti all bencho and take the connect and eat it, and infant babies and shit. Bro. Like, I'm shaking, bro. This is why I was like, all right, this politics shit is deeper than just fucking titles now, for really reals. Okay. So how much do the Nidijala people in our own Nidijala, how much do they know about this shit? That's where it is. Because if you touch it, when it, because, man, look, other countries, it's going to start with the economy. You don't understand your day-to-day life. Prices of food, the prices of bills, the prices of all this shit. Boy, y'all be ready, bro. Be ready. Look around you, look in your towns, look at the prices of everything. Stock up on food. Our towns get memorized everything. Oh Lord. Ramarong kune internet, electricity, because we get our electricity from other countries, right? Power grid. Thing is, other countries want to cut us off. Imports, tariffs, Trump taxes on imports. Now people don't want to, like, other countries don't want to do imports to this country, so it's going to start with the one and mange. Listen to me now, bro. Candles, flashlights, generators. I live here in this country, but you don't know what the fuck is going on because you're so caught up in your own bullshit. Y'all eating up this. Come on, we still stuck on religion? Fuck. We still stuck on religion. It's bigger than that. It's way bigger than that now. Y'all fighting about what color Jesus is when these goddamn motherfucking news is reporting aliens and shit. Where the fuck are y'all? I'd be mad as hell for my people, cause y'all so goddamn blind as a whole. And a lot of y'all choose to be blind. See, look, my viewer count is going down cause y'all don't like what the fuck I'm saying. This world is not what do you think it is. There's so many reasons why I backed away from the current stuff that's being talked about right now, because it's hella deeper than that. Oh yeah, hold on, before I forget, y'all Trump supporters, do you realize that you are not immune to the shit that's happening around the country? You're still not white, you're still brown as shit. Like, y'all don't really understand what Trump is doing for you to be standing up, chest out, chin up about that motherfucker. But most of y'all are so, your head is so stuck up white Jesus ass. A lot of y'all like Trump just because he represents Christianity, bro? That's brainwashed shit. Shame on y'all with your brown ass. Whole time, voted for Trump. You support Trump. A lot of y'all support Trump, can't even vote for Trump. Because you're not even a citizen. You I-94 motherfucker. That's the crazy part. Talking all that shit, as soon as you don't even renew your I-94, you out of here. Type shit. So yeah, this is my Friday night. I usually hang out with myself. I just decided to invite you guys and share some thoughts. Because me sitting here and finding out these new things. Like, man, Marshallese people, y'all make me so damn sad. It's like I really want to spank y'all. Like bum, like, like, fuck.